An attorney who's well versed in personal injury can, in short, maximize a person's recovery under the laws of the state of Illinois. It's important to see an attorney who is well versed or concentrates his practice in personal injury. The law is becoming so complex anymore that most attorneys limit their practice to just one or two or very few areas of the law. But a personal injury attorney can maximize the recovery that you would make. There are things that need to be done immediately, such as statements of witnesses or photographs of the accident scene, photographs of the plaintiff, your client. Sometimes in bad injuries, a day in the life of film is important. Sometimes the pictures in the hospital, either of an injured party that's on IV, that may be in some sort of an apparatus, a traction apparatus. Pictures taken at that time are very important. Dealing with insurance companies and subrogation liens is often a very big part of a personal injury claim, and it's just necessary to consult with a personal injury attorney to be able to anticipate these things and to deal with them appropriately. A personal injury attorney will make certain that all of the what attorneys call the elements of damage are properly compensated for the victim. So there are just a number of things, and many of which need to be done immediately, some of which can be done later, but not the least of which is to make certain that the case gets either resolved or filed before a statute of limitations runs. Sometimes, unfortunately, I see people in my office where they've come in too long after the accident, and the statute of limitations has expired, and they just don't have a claim anymore. And there are a number of different lengths of statutes of limitations for different types of injuries. So it's important to see an attorney who is well versed in personal injury as soon after the accident as possible.